Hope you enjoy. Man, this thing is looking good, all cleaned up. Got a few scratches in it. Stuff that'll come out, but wheels are nice. You guys gotta remember, this thing sat in a salvage yard since November. So to have something with this nice of paint on it that sat around with a bunch of cars, wrecked cars, and people that don't care about them, it's actually pretty rare. Tears starting to come around. The windows were down the whole time it was at the yard. A little water won't hurt anything though. Hoping once these door panels thaw out, the wrinkles will come out. They're starting, it's pretty wrinkly up here. It's starting to come out. Even this wheel's nice. Nice in here. We do have to put a tub on it. Tub is broken. Tub, quarter, rear bumper. We're gonna fix this quarter panel. Gotta put a hatch on it, it's broke. It's all stuff we knew when we went and looked at it. Actually, this wheel's in good shape too. It does have a broken spindle. I'll jack it up and show you that. This door panel also a little wrinkly, but this door broken in there. Door skin's coming off, so we're gonna put a door on it. And then we're gonna try to fix the fender. These are carbon fiber fenders. This fender, I mean, a fender in the same shape as this one on eBay right now is $900. And we got to put an inner fender on it, which all that stuff just bonded on. That's, you know, nothing crazy. Oh, and of course it needs a front bumper cover, but we'll jack it up and show you the damage underneath. Alright, if you notice in the time lapse on when we pulled the car forward after we washed it, the wheel kicked in and Ryan had to keep kicking it to keep it straight. Broke the bracket right off the tie rod. Actually didn't even break the tie rod or bend it. Just broke the spindle, and then kind of hard to see, but that upper control arm is bent also. So that's what's, well, there we go. That's what's causing the camber in, and it's causing the tow issue. So I think we got away with no frame damage. So we're gonna rip the tub off and inspect a little more. Alright guys, so we've sourced most of the parts to fix this thing. Like I told you, the parts we needed, we found somebody pretty local that's got most of them. He's also got the suspension parts that we need. So we're hoping to get this thing running and driving. That way we can move it, because right now it's kind of hard to move. But we hope to get that going here pretty soon, and we'll have a few more videos of how we fix this thing coming up. So. What's up guys? So we got this new GoPro that we're trying. It's a little different than the iPhone. Actually, the zoom on the GoPro is nice. I mean, I think you can see me. I don't know, I can't see the actual picture, but on an iPhone we'd be like this. So we're gonna try this thing out. But we're in the truck getting fuel. Got the trailer with us. We are going to pick up some Corvette parts. So right after we get this baby fueled up and get on the road, we got about an hour and a half drive. and we'll pick up a lot of the parts to fix the Z06. So we'll see you in a little bit. We are back at the shop and we're going to show you what parts we got. We're going to unload them. We haven't showed you the headlight yet. Even color match. Too bad we couldn't find color match other parts. Sorry if you can't see. I can see, so we'll be alright. Under fender that you can't see. Well, I thought I could see. The lights aren't working in the trailer for some reason. But we got, what do we got? Fog light. Oh man! It went blank.
I can still see the red light from here. That line.
Oh, check it out. The battery's not dead. I guess the screen just goes blank. What an idiot. We got that stuff. Oh, I feel retarded. It's still on. We got a rear bumper. Lesson learned. So GoPro doesn't light up, it's still recording. We have a door over here. See if I can carry this and carry the camera at the same time. I can't see anything, but the light just went on the GoPro again, but I didn't freak out this time. It's still recording, I think. Here's the door. We got the door in. Gotta fix that piece. Look at Ryan go. He's got the hatch. How bad did that scratch the bottom sliding around? Probably should have strapped it down, but poor CTSV. We got the most important part. The bathtub. No wonder these Corvettes are so light.
It weighs about 20 pounds.
And there she is. It's a good thing we don't have to remove this one off of a car because we've never done this before. And we'll probably end up breaking the one that we got on the car, which is fine because it's already broken, but we'll see how we do. Never done this, so it'll be fun. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days, but we've got the car here, we've got our parts over there, you saw us get our parts. But now we're going to get this thing tore apart and see what kind of damage we've got. So let's get to work. All right, we just ripped this thing apart. Got all the bad body panels off of it. Ryan put the spindle and upper control arm on. As you can see, we still got to pull the tub off. But we got all the body panels off. We can actually see what we're doing now. Also, we decided to replace this inner fender. We were going to try to fix it because the one we've got, this is our good one, or the one we just bought, it's cracked right there. But the other one that was on the car was cracked all the way back to like right here. So we'll fix that one, put it on. We'll probably go ahead and measure the wheelbase, see what we got right now, and then we'll go from there. Let me find a tape measure. Sorry, this heater's on again. This thing runs more than it's off. All right, you want to measure this? Just go right to the middle. Yeah, it looks like somewhere around 105 and a half. And we're closer than we were, I guess. Like a little under 106. A little better, but we still might have some frame damage on it. Get this tub off and we'll see what we got. And I forgot to tell you, like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos. Thank you.